When you think of Brabus, the first image that comes to mind is probably a heavily modified Mercedes-AMG G-Class, complete with outrageous body kits and power upgrades. But this time, Brabus has taken a different path, focusing on something far more refined yet no less commanding: the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II. The result is the Brabus 700, a luxury SUV that has been transformed into a $1 million masterpiece, blending elegance, performance, and pure exclusivity. This isn't Brabus' first experiment with the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. The tuner previously modified a pre-facelift version of the SUV. However, this latest project builds on the updated Series II model, giving it a more contemporary and aggressive personality, while still maintaining the regal aura expected from a Rolls. From the outside, the Brabus 700 showcases bespoke bodywork that goes beyond the typical wide body kits seen on other tuner projects. The redesigned front bumper features massive air intakes and integrated custom DRLs that blend seamlessly with Rolls-Royce's OEM headlights. A carbon fiber hood adds a lightweight yet performance-focused detail. Moving along the side profile, the SUV rides on stunning 24-inch Brabus Monoblock M Platinum Edition wheels, a bold choice that still looks surprisingly natural on a Rolls. At the rear, things get even sportier. A pronounced roof spoiler and a custom diffuser house the quad exhaust pipes of the stainless steel sports exhaust system. This exhaust comes with actively controlled butterfly valves, allowing the driver to choose between a subtle, refined growl or an aggressive roar that makes the 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged engine come alive. Speaking of the engine, the Brabus 700 packs some serious firepower under the hood. Thanks to the Power Extra RR68-700 upgrade, the twin-turbocharged V12 now produces 690 horsepower and 950 newton-meters of torque. That's enough to propel the massive Cullinan from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5 seconds flat. While not as quick as the Spofec Cullinan tuned by Novitec, which does the same run in 4.6 seconds, it's still a remarkable achievement for a vehicle weighing well over 2.5 tons. To match its newfound speed, Brabus added the Spot Extra suspension module, which lowers the SUV's ride height by up to 25 millimeters. Despite this, Rolls-Royce's legendary Magic Carpet ride remains intact, ensuring comfort isn't sacrificed in pursuit of performance. Step inside, and the Brabus 700 takes luxury to another level. The cabin is wrapped in the Masterpiece package, which means almost every surface is finished in exquisite quilted leather. This particular model showcases a bold, verdant shadow green interior with textures resembling reptile skin for a unique, exotic feel. Brabus logos are sprinkled throughout the cabin, some illuminated for extra flair, while carbon fiber and shadow gray accents break up the sea of green. To complete the package, Brabus includes a bespoke weekender bag trimmed in the same luxury leather as the SUV's interior, perfect for those spontaneous getaways. All this luxury and performance doesn't come cheap. The Brabus 700 Rolls-Royce Cullinan carries a price tag of €914,787, or roughly $1,068,860. Buyers can either purchase the SUV as a complete vehicle or opt for the tuning package to upgrade their existing Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II. Currently showcased at Pebble Beach, the Brabus 700 stands as a testament to what happens when one of the world's most famous tuners steps away from its comfort zone of Mercedes-AMGs. The result is a Rolls-Royce Cullinan that not only turns heads, but also redefines what a luxury SUV can be: elegant, powerful, and unapologetically extravagant.